What's up, everybody? It's Matt Chambers down in Swansea, Illinois, taking advantage of a beautiful afternoon, trying to catch up to my wife and kids on a nature trail at Centennial Park in Swansea, Illinois. What'd you find, bud? Oh, yeah, this is a cool part. It's kind of a wild trail back here, but it's nice.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Let's keep marching. A little pond over here to our left. How's the baby boy doing, Mama? That's 1-year-old Felix up there, holding his own. My wife was carrying him for a while, but now he's like, nah, I got this. I'm all about this. What's over here? Oh, we're coming up to a T, right? Last time we went left, so this time we're going to go right. Yeah? The natural staircase. Right down to the water, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who said that? Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you want me to carry you? All right, hold on. Oh, hold on. Video's going to be crazy for a minute. Oh, gotcha. All right, let's soldier on.
Is this alive?
It's live. You got anything to say to the people of the Facebooks?
Sure. Comment. Which way should we go?
I like what you did there, though. That was Xavier trying to make like a choose your own adventure book. Last time we went left, so this time we're going right. That's what you do, right? Eleanor, you okay? That's 3-year-old Eleanor right there. My wife Stephanie, the 8-year-old Xavier. The older kids, Genevieve, Isaac, and Adelaide are up there a little farther. This is my first time on this little trail in Centennial Park, Swansea, Illinois. It was my wife's idea. She's been down here with the kids once before. What do you think, dude? It's good? Let me know if you want to walk again, okay? It's a nice day, not too humid. Oh, yeah?
Guys, comment. What do you think this plant is?
You're good at this whole social media engagement thing. He said, comment, what do you think this plant is? You're funny. You're cracking me up. You kids with your social media, it makes me giggle. Nice day today. Sun shining. Yeah? What do you got? Sure enough. Xavier has identified this as a fallen tree. Indeed. Think that's ivy?
I would be mad if that's poison ivy because then I would get surprised.
Yeah, maybe you should touch it a whole bunch. And then, I don't know, rub your face or something. What are you doing, Eleanor? Uh-oh, sounds like somebody's following it. Oh, you're throwing rocks? Don't throw rocks, girl. Come on, let's catch up. Cool.
Guys, comment. What do you think this plant is?
Comment, what do you think this kind of tree is? Come on, there's people coming. Hustle, hustle, let's catch up with everybody. We need more horticulturists on this Facebook Live, apparently. Oh, here's some people. Oh my gosh, I just had to X out of something to see all the comments. There's all kinds of people commenting. Let's see. Christine's watching, Jeff's watching, Margaret's watching. Thank you guys. Teresa, Jennifer, Desiree, Bill, Jen Moskowitz. Cool. What's up, Jen?
What do you think this is from?
I don't know, but you should probably definitely grab it and handle it a whole bunch.
Comment what do you think.
Definitely fur of something.
You don't know, it could be tough.
Listen, Smarty. Glinda and Jane and Carl. Carl says you're scaring me. Yeah, Carl, well, that's what we do. Wanda and Karen are watching. Todd says, hi, Matt. Hello, Todd. Carl says, watch those snakes. Carl, if you only knew, right at the beginning of the trail, we saw a big old snake curled up on some rocks on this bubbling brook over here. Desiree says, that looks so... Oh, you want to get down for a second? Okay. Those water snakes are everywhere. Yeah, that's true. Danielle is watching. Ron's watching. Jim. Elizabeth says, I love the names of your children. Thank you, Elizabeth. I appreciate that. And I see you comment a lot, so thank you for that. Eric says, how are the bugs? They look like they should be out. Did you all spray up? It's a good question, Eric. Because there's very little wind today, the bugs are around. They're out here for sure. We're kind of swatting them away. But if you keep moving, it's really not that bad. It'll get worse later this summer. Michael's watching. Hey, Michael and Sonia and Mary Jane. Elizabeth says, you should have brought the stroller. Yeah, well, it's not all nice pea gravel trail like this. Some of it's just dirt trail, so the stroller would have been tough. Shirley says, hello. Hello to you, Shirley. Hey, come on, Junior. Yeah?
Yeah.
Come here, Felix. Kelly says, hey. Hey there, Kelly. Sandra's watching. Shirley says it's a beautiful day. That's true. Kevin, Jim Turner. Jim Turner? Hey, how about that? Is that the Jim Turner I used to work with? No way.
No, Felix.
Felix, no. Felix. Oh, Jan says, good for you. I've never been there, and we live close to Swansea. Yeah, it's a nice park. All right, fellas. Felix, come on this way. Uh-oh. Natives are getting restless. I gotta go catch them. Oh, don't be sad. Come here, Dada will get you. Oh, no. Look at this face. Oh, where's your shoe? He lost his shoe.
Oh, it's back here.
Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. Let me get your shoe. Hold on. Video's gonna get wonky. Sorry. Oh.
Still, I really wish that you could catch up with me so we could actually see that really cool tree that I saw.
Yeah? Okay. You did? Let's catch up with everybody.
Oh, there it is. What kind of spiders do you think this is?
That, my friends, is a good old-fashioned Daddy Longlegs. Let me get my finger out of the way. Where is he? Hard to see. There he is. Daddy Longlegs. Come on, Eleanor. Yeah. Somebody says, Joanne says, catch up. Yep, you're right. Oh, Charlie White's watching. Hey, Charlie, how are you? Oh, X has got a cool tree he wants to show us. Let's go see. What you got, dude? Ooh. Whoa. That is the root ball of an old tree, it looks like to me.
A giant fire.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's been around a while.
Yeah, there's ivy growing all over it.
That's pretty cool. Kay and Mary are watching. Hello, guys. We're at a little park, Centennial Park in Swansea, Illinois. I've never been down here before. But I told everybody at home, I'm like, man, it's nice outside. We got to get out. Where's a good nature trail? And we live up in Fairview Heights. And my wife said, well, we've been down to this Centennial Park once. Let's try going down there. So my first time checking it out. Wife and kids have been here before, but not me. And it's cool. It's nice. Charlie says he's good. I'm glad to hear that, Charlie. There's Betsy saying hey to the... Hey, Miss Betsy's saying hello, guys. Come on, Eleanor. know who Miss Betsy is. And Mr. Wade. It's okay, we'll catch up to him. That's not my wife up there, but my wife and kids are up there somewhere. So, X, have you guys been on this trail before? Well, I can't get you up right now, because right now I got this guy up. I know you do. Oh, you're with the homeschool group? Nice day down here in Swansea. Little humid, but tolerable. Moderate humidity is what we would call it usually. Mary says, enjoy your walk. Thank you, Mary. We're having a good time. By the way, everybody watching on Facebook, what happened 1 year ago today? I know you remember. 1 year ago today. In some ways it feels like it was 5 years ago. And in other ways it feels like it was 3 months ago. But it was 1 year ago today. Anybody remember? Chime in. I know that you know this. That's right. Tim nailed it. Oh, I think I see my wife up there. Holy cow, we might be catching up.
What kind of
food? Tall and slender, just like your dad. Not. That's right, Charlie. Charlie remembers. Oh, Charlie was at the Busch Stadium watch party. You know, I was out of town. I was with my extended family in Kansas City watching Game 7, and it was awesome. What do you got? Oh, nice. Oh, Elizabeth is asking, where is Swansea? Good question, Elizabeth. It's kind of right between O'Fallon and Fairview Heights and Belleville. So it's in the Metro East. I mean, if you could draw a straight line to downtown, we're probably 15 miles east of downtown, if that. If you're taking the highways, it's probably about let's see, 15 or 16 mile trip to get here from downtown. Chrissy says, be sure and drink plenty of water. Don't get dehydrated. Yeah, everybody brought their thermos. You coming, babe? Oh, you want to wave to everybody? Here, hold on. Let's flip the camera around so you can see the big man. There he is. Say hi to everybody. You say hi? You enjoying your walk? You want to smile? The cheese? Cheese. Mom's evil. Mom's evil because she killed a mosquito. Wow. Oh, the vines growing up? Oh, yeah, the dead vine.
Not the vines.
The bark? Oh my gosh, you're right.
Yeah, comment down below what kind of tree you think.
Comment down below. Can you tell the dude watches YouTube videos? Comment down below. Why? Because this is a massive invasion of your privacy.
No.
Shame you aren't taller. You could get to this phone. No. Hey, why don't you take this boy and can you take this boy and put his shoe on? No, Addie, stop. Here, let me give you your other shoe. Here, take the shoe. This horse needs to be reshoed. He threw a shoe a couple miles back. Yeah, I should probably hang this up so I can actually, be with my family. Not that I don't love you guys. I really do. Stop. Listen, it's the grouchy ones that get on camera first and most. Hi, Genevieve. Honey, do you know that there's lots and lots of mosquitoes? I think if your mom kills one, that the species will probably go on, don't you think? Yep, that's true. True. Margie says you live in Swansea. Well, we're close. We're actually right on the line between Fairview Heights and O'Fallon. Dennis says, what made you select Illinois over Missouri? That is a great question. We moved here 15 years ago, 2005, and at that time, neither my wife nor I had lived a single day outside of Missouri in our entire lives. 2005, the housing market was very different. Things were going super fast. And I also had a brother and his wife and their kids that lived in Shiloh, Illinois. And he, just like me, until they moved here, had never lived outside of Missouri. So, you gonna take my sunglasses? Come here, Eleanor. Come on. So he was the one that said, hey, make sure you look on both sides of the river. And we wound up settling over here 15 years ago. And I thought never in a million years would I live over here. And we've raised all of our kids here. Nice. And we really like it. No regrets. There's a lot of things about Missouri that I do miss, but, I still work there. All my family is still there. My brother, who was in Shiloh when I moved over here, doesn't live here anymore. So now I'm kind of the black sheep. I'm the only one this far out. Eleanor, come on back, babe. Most of my family is still where I grew up, which is northwest Missouri, St. Joe, Kansas City, that area. So hope that answers your question. Oh, Stephen Arrows is watching now too, and he says, love that trail. Steven, I had never been on this trail until today. This is really a good one. Come on, Eleanor, let's catch up to everybody. Margaret's on. Oh, hey, your Aunt Crystal's watching, so behave yourselves. Your Aunt Crystal should be very proud of your data today, because right before this, I went to the Fairview Heights Library and recorded a couple of children's books that they're going to use as a virtual story time next week. Oh, she says, hi, miss you all. Sandy says, plenty of stagnant water to make more of those evil mosquitoes. That's true. Put a Downy fabric softener in your pocket, and the bugs will stay away. It's got to be Downy, though. That's interesting. I'd be willing to give it a shot. I've tried crazier things. Oh, we got to a little sunny clearing here. Yep. Speaking of stagnant water, there's a little more. Right at the entrance to this park, there's a nice little kind of babbling brook where they've built in some waterfalls, and that's pretty. Keeps the water moving. You coming, girlfriend?
Look, another bridge.
Oh, we're coming to a bridge, though. You got to walk across this bridge. It's going to be cool. Let's go check it out. There's a bridge similar to this one right at the head of this trail. Let's go check this one out. Oh, it's nice out here today. Ooh, this is a cool bridge. They need a bridge so that you can go up over this creek. I don't know if you guys could hear, but that was Adelaide saying, Dad, turn off the phone. Yeah. Well, that would be a shame, because it's Meredith's phone. Meredith being the parent company of KMOV. So I'd probably get in some trouble. And I'm sure they've heard the old my daughter freak excuse before.
Yeah, you'd get in trouble.
Yeah, and then
I'd probably get in trouble.
aha, bingo.
I wouldn't get fired for it.
You wouldn't get fired for it? Well, I would prefer not to get fired. As the sole provider for a family of 8 people, getting fired is not on my to-do list. Oh, it hooks back up to the bike trail. Wow. That's fancy. I say we take that route. Unless you want to, if we get on the bike trail, go back that way to take us back too.
I just saw some kind of vulture.
Nice shades, girl. Come on, let's keep walking a little bit longer. So for those that don't know the fam, there's the oldest, Isaac. He's 11. This is Eleanor. She's number 5 of 6. She is 3 years old. Come here, hold my hand. Here's Genevieve, her older sister. Groovy shades. You look like a totally different person with those sunglasses on. Genevieve is 6. Yep. Hey, we're back. I think I lost the connection for a while. My wife tells me that I said Isaac, our oldest, is 11. That's not true. Isaac is 12. He's going to turn 13 in September, actually, which is freaky. Xavier's up there. He is 8. Felix is 1. Adelaide is 11. Sure, what do you want to tell him? Exactly. Ah, teenager! We're going to have one soon. What do you got? Another nearly stripped log. Oh, yeah, down there. I see it. Yep. Wow, Sarah Carr Roberts is with a K. Is that the Sarah Carr that I went to school with way back in the day? That's crazy. Yeah?
This does not look at least one of these
That is pretty cool. Very nice. That's a good one, too. Again, tall and slender, just like your dad. And not so much. Not so much. Donna says that's the trail we take with JC.
Felix is watching the ants. He likes to watch them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
There's something on that tree. Well, what is it? Is it a bug? Huh? What? What do you see? This guy right here? This thing?
Yeah.
I think that's just a little piece of bark that's flapping in the breeze.
And what is that?
That? Oh, that's a bug. That's a beetle. A little beetle. Come on. Let's go catch up to everybody, okay? Looks like a dad beetle, or what did you get in your hair, girl? Come on, let's catch up with everybody. Oh, there's another way to link up to the bike path. I will say that about a lot of the Metro East communities, especially once you get south of O'Fallon and Fairview Heights. They've done a really good job of interconnecting a bunch of the parks with paved bike trails, which is really nice. Paula says, looks like a great place to hike with your kids. Yeah, it is nice. Again, if you guys are just jumping on the stream, I appreciate you watching. We are at Centennial Park down in Swansea, Illinois, just a little bit north of Belleville, a little bit south of Fairview Heights and O'Fallon. Come on, girl. My wife and kids have been here once before, but I have never been. So we're out here checking it out. Weather's decent. Humidity is noticeable, but it's tolerable. It's not bad. Nice blue sky today. It's beautiful, especially for this time of the year in St. Louis. This is pretty good. And that's one of the reasons we're out here. I had finished my work day and... Oh, you want to take the rock out of your shoe? Finished my work day and had one other appointment, and then after that I was like, man, let's go do something outside. And my wife was talking about that all day, wanting to get outside too. So this is this fits the bill nicely. You good now, girl? No, not yet. Still in there? Poor thing. That's Eleanor, 3 years old. Eleanor, you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Uh-oh, Joanne says gone again. I hope my signal's not breaking up too much. Come on, let's go. We got some catching up to do. For those of you who might be stuck inside today, I just thought maybe this would be kind of a nice opportunity to bring the outdoors to you. I have honestly not been doing this as much as I should either. So It's good for me. I hope it's good for you too. We must be way behind everybody because whew, they're way up there. Oh, this is good. The unofficial village of Swansea, Illinois is on the stream and says, "Sup, buddy?" Not much, man. Sup with you? Oh, Joanne says we're back on. Good. Glad to hear that. Centennial Park here, right off Highway 161 down in Swansea, Illinois. Judy's watching. Hello, Judy. Nice to have you on board. Walking a trail. At times, this trail we've been on has been this kind of loose pea gravel like we're on now. And sometimes it is dirt and a true nature trail. Girl, come on. I'm afraid I'm going to leave you behind. She likes to sit down and throw the rocks is the thing. Maybe that's what she's got in her hair. Little bits of gravel. So how's everybody doing? Oh, Brenda says, thanks for the nice walk. You're welcome. You're right, Elizabeth. Eleanor does not care about keeping up with everybody. Oh, look at this. They're being patient. They're waiting for me on a bench. My sunglasses? All right, guys, I'm going to get off this stream. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed the walk as much as I did. You going to tell everybody goodbye?
Bye-bye. Check to see if he comments.
Oh, there's a lot of people commenting. Isaac?
Bye.
Bye. See you later, dude.
To check to see if he commented for anybody. He's almost a teenager.
Isaac is almost a teenager.
Now get off your phone.
All right, I'm getting off. I love you guys. Thanks for checking us out. Hope you have a good weekend. I'm turning off the phone. Okay, bye-bye.